Sanjay Kamble, and on behalf of Wockhardt Medical Team, Wockhardt Medical Connect, and the RSSDI TV 2021 brought to you by Wockhardt, I welcome Dr. Amit Kumar sir. Sir is from Kolkata, a renowned diabetologist, and sir has just recently delivered a talk on a very exciting topic, and that is the prevalence of left ventricular diastolic dysfunction and its correlation with glycemic control. So, sir, welcome to the show, and we would like to know from you which key points would you like to tell our audience about the findings from your study?
Yeah, thank you very much. So, we basically conducted a retrospective analysis study of our EMR data, which we analyzed from the data that was available in our clinic for the last 5 years. We tried to look at the prevalence of the left ventricular diastolic dysfunction in normotensive diabetic patients in the age group of 30 to 60 years of age. And we also assessed their correlation with certain parameters like their BMI, HbA1c, lipid profile, and microalbuminuria. The reason why we thought that this would be an important point to work on is that we know that there is a higher prevalence of asymptomatic left ventricular diastolic dysfunction in the community, and we strongly feel that this might act as a precursor to diastolic heart failure in patients with type 2 diabetes. So, what we did was we analyzed our data, and certain important parameters that we found was that there was a very strong and significant statistical correlation of grade 1 and grade 2 left ventricular diastolic dysfunction with HbA1c, LDL cholesterol, the BMI of the patient, and there was a high significant prevalence of grade 1 diastolic dysfunction in patients having microalbuminuria. So, we feel that factors like obesity, uncontrolled diabetes with uncontrolled glycemic levels, fluctuating lipids, especially having an LDL above 70, having a poor HDL control, and also microalbuminuria can contribute towards asymptomatic diastolic dysfunction in patients with type 2 diabetes, and this in future can predispose them to diastolic heart failure. So, this is what we found in our study.
Thank you, Dr. Amit, for the crux of your study. Definitely, this knowing the findings of the study, definitely that can surely be boiling down to a better patient care.
Sure.
So, thank you so much for your time. Thanks for coming here. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much. Thank you.